Final thoughts?
Stay hard, baby.
It's like a race, we're going hard, we're gonna do our best, stay on no one's son, we gonna carry the boat, that's what we do, baby, yeah!
No fear, no fear, no fear.
Sir, magsasalita kayo. Strong race. Later he'll be sharing also.
Quattro, please.
So let me call on Sean Garcia.
Sir.
Hello! So, sino dito nag-OCR race na before sa mga crowd? Can you see your hands? Oh, yeah, that's my people! Woo! Okay, so if you know, if you joined the OCR race before, there are lots of benefits, and me personally, I'll give you 3 benefits that have helped my life. And unang-una, kapag nag-OCR race kayo, it's the best combination of speed saka strength. Kapag nag-join kayo ng OCR race, hindi lang pwede sobrang fast kayo, pero wala kang strength. Tsaka another way, you cannot be super strong kayo magbuhat, pero hindi mo naman kaya mag-run. So when you do an OCR race, combination talaga siya. You become a complete athlete. Parang kang war ready talaga. That's why I really love OCR racing. Kasi all in talaga, you're the complete athlete. Tapos second benefit of OCR racing is magiging mentally strong po kayo. Kasi yung OCR races, if you've competed in it before, like what was said in the Filtra talk kanina, usually nasa bundok siya, nasa mountain, minsan nasa desert. Kasi in those kind of areas, so hindi siya road. So kapag nag-race ka dyan sa mga mountain areas, you're forced to persevere talaga. Kasi sobrang init, pagod ka na sa obstacles, pero if you quit, stuck ka sa bundok. Kaya when you're doing OCR racing, mag-persevere ka talaga all the way to the end. Kasi kung hindi, stuck ka din sa bundok. So secondly, yung second benefit, mental fortitude. Tsaka yung last benefit that has really meant a lot to me when joining an OCR race is the community. The community benefits, the team. Kapag kasi race, hindi tayo friends. For 40 minutes, bakbagat talaga yun na we're going to each other's throats. Especially for you, mga competitive kayo, gusto nyo mag-podium kayo, syempre, gold, silver, and bronze yun. Pero even throughout the journey before the race, that's where you really enjoy kasi you're training together as a team with your fellow athletes. So it's the community. So yun lang yung 3 benefits in joining an OCR race. Sana ma-inspire kayo, you'll be a complete athlete, strength and speed. You'll be mentally strong kasi the venue is difficult. Tsaka yung community, I highly encourage you mag-join kayo ng community for an OCR. So yun lang yung 3 benefits for me sa OCR racing. Whether it's Spartan, whether it's POSF, or whether it's Ninja, mag-join na kayo and you won't regret it. Okay na.
Thank you, man. So I agree, no? So,
Your journey, how to jumpstart your journey. So it's very easy for me to answer. John also gave a lot of great insights. Very easy for me to answer. Tumakbo, magbuhat, mag-obstacle course training. Here, trail running shoes, hydration, ganyan. So those are very top of mind answers that I can give to everyone. Pero I want to provide more value than that. For me, to really start your journey sa OCR. The OCR is not easy, especially whether it's the POSF, the others, or Spartan. It's not easy, especially if you're looking to do it consistently, sustainably, and maybe as your main sport. The one thing you're going to need is a why. Bakit ka nga ba nandito sa OCR? Right? One answer can be, trip ko lang. Trip namin ng mga tropa ko. Diba, gusto namin sumali dito, wala kaming training, magkawanan lang kami. Pwede, wala namang mali. So it really depends on you. Diba? Pwede, it's because you're an existing athlete. Let's say, sanay ka mag-ninja, gusto mo mag-Spartan, or basketball player ka, gusto mo mag-100-meter ninja dash, right? So, it can also be to see if your athletic abilities already exist, can apply to OCR, or it can also be if you want to find out more about yourself. Because OCR racing, whether short form or long form, hindi siya madali. You're really going to find out something about yourself. So for me, the most important thing if you want to know your journey is you have to know bakit ka nakakalabi. And for me personally, I can share, I have a little bit of time. The reason kung bakit nga ba ako sumabak, specifically for me, sa Spartan ako sumali, pero maraming others dyan, is because I wanted to find out more about myself. Na bakit? So 2021, I wasn't in the best shape physically, emotionally, mentally, meron akong mga pinagdadaanan doon. Pero noong 2022, when I did my first race, November 2022, sabi ko, I already had the mindset, okay, hindi pa ako 100% peak form, but I already believed that there was more to me than there was to any challenge. With others, and I think this can apply to everyone, there is always going to be more to you than there is to any challenge. And what better way to force myself to compete athletically? And I was never the most gifted. I was never the fastest runner, highest jumper, best three-point shooter. But I worked really hard. So, sumabak na kaagad dun sa Oscar, specifically, like sa Spartan. The first race I did was a 10K race. To give context, no, the last 10K Spartan race I did, the OCR race, was in Thailand when I competed in the Asia Pacific Championship. I finished second there, and I finished with a time of 1 hour and 9 minutes. 10K sa trail, and then 25 obstacles. Thank you.
So hindi totoo na ikaw yung hindi ka the best. You're one of the best.
Still working hard to be one of the best. So, and on my first race, a year and a half ago, 10K din dito sa Pilipinas, I did it in 5 hours. That was my first. It took me 5 hours. I nearly. But yeah, it was really hard. It took me 5 hours. But I understood, okay, why? Okay, it was hard. Race is once a quarter. So I have to train almost every day. And that's what I did. And I believe a lot of us here, obstacle course racing, whatever type of form that is for everyone. It's for anyone who's willing to work. It's for anyone who wants to find out more about themselves. It's for anyone who gusto lang man-trip, diba? But it's definitely for everyone who believes that there is more to them than there is to any challenge. You know? So that's it from me. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Toma. So for those who want to racing, you can find
Job is
us.
done.
Team Spartan
That's what we
Racing
do,
is
Pamela.
gonna
Yeah, we
be
stay
there.
hard.
Thank you very much
Stay hard,
for
baby.
everyone.
Woo!